In this video, we are going to see about list comprehension and list slicing. First of all, we are going to see about some examples in list comprehension. See here, to store 1 to 10 in list. Okay, this program is to store 1 to 10 in a list. My list is the name of the list is equal to open square bracket I for I in range of 1 comma 11. Okay, first of all, we have already learned about this for loop. What will this for loop do? It will iterate I through 1 to 10. Okay. Now, just in front of that, I have used I. So, the value of I is stored corresponding to the correct index of the list. See here, what is output? 1, comma 2, comma 3, comma 4, comma 5, comma 6, comma 7, comma 8, comma 9, comma 10. Okay. So, this is the list comprehension method. See here, this is the list comprehension method. We use the list name is equal to then open square bracket and which variable we use for iteration, and we give the looping statement to store some values in it. Okay, come to the second example. Here I want to store even numbers between 1 to 10. Okay, now, my list is equal to I space for I in range of 1 comma 11. Then I will give some condition in it. If I mod 2 is equal to 0, then only I want to store the I value in list. So I give the condition here. If I mod 2 is equal to 0, then I have to store the value of I. So see here, the result is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, then copying a list by list comprehension. See here, there's a list A is equal to 1, comma 4, comma 7, comma 2. I have to copy this A list to B list. Okay, you may ask some question like, we shall directly give the value of A to B, like this B is equal to A, but it arises some error, that is a logical error. We will see that in later videos. Okay, now just know about this method. P is equal to open square bracket val for val in A. So by using this, I have accessed each elements by through val variable and stored the val variable in A. So at first iteration, 1 is stored in second, 4 is stored in third, 7 is stored in fourth, the 2 is stored. Okay, now what is the output of B? It is 1472. Now we are jumping into the concept list slicing. Now see here, I have already taught you about the string slicing. Okay, list slicing is similar to the string slicing. Try to answer this. I have given this list and asked about my list of 1 colon 5. Okay, then what will be the output? See here, 1 to 5. Okay, so I have to take 1, 2, 3 up to 4. I don't take this 5. Okay, so what is the output? A 3.8, 932, and C. Now come to the second statement. My list of 0 colon 5 colon 2. Now from 0, I have to take up to 5 by jumping through two values. So first 0 is incremented by 2. Now at this index, the value is printed. Then at this index, the value is printed. So what is the value here? 10. What is the value here? 3.8. What is the value here? It's C. hence 10 3.8 and C. Now come to this my list of colon colon 2. So I have to start from 0 and end to length of my list by jumping two elements. First 0, then 2, then 4, then 6. Okay, then what will be the output? 10 3.8 C plus. Okay, then come to this statement. My list of 1 colon colon. If there is no ending point, then it takes up to length, and if there is no jump, then it takes jump as 1. Okay, start from A and go up to this plus. Okay, then the result will be A 3.8932, C 2.2, sorry 2.0 and plus. Now my list of colon 4 colon. So colon 4 colon. So the start value will be 0, end value will be 4 minus 1, 3, and jump value will be 1. Hence, what will be the answer? 10A 3.8932. Okay, then negative list slicing. Now, see here, as I already told, negative indexing starts from minus 1 to minus n, from right to left. Now, see here, my list of minus 5 colon minus 2, then there is no value. Hence, the jump will be 1. Okay, I am starting from minus 5 and jumping through plus 1 until I get answer as minus 2. So, I have already told if the final value is minus 2, then what will be the final index? It will be minus 3. Hence, it will be minus 5, minus 4, minus 3. So what are the values here? 3.8, 932, then C. Okay. Now come to the statement minus 1 colon minus 4 colon minus 1. So minus 1 is a start up to minus 4. Then it will be minus 3 by decrementing minus 1. Hence plus 2.0, then C. See here answer. Okay, then my list of colon colon minus 1. If there is no starting and beginning, sorry, no beginning and ending, and only jump, it takes from this minus 1 to minus n, that is minus 7. So plus 2.0 C 932 3.8 A, and then 10 will be the answer. See here, it is the answer. Now my list of minus 4 colon colon. Okay, now the beginning is minus 4 and the ending is minus 1. If there is no ending, then it will be taken as minus 1. And why we take it as a minus 1? Because if there is no jump here, then we will assume that 1. Okay, we will assume at 1. If minus 4 plus 1, what will the output? It's minus 3. Okay, it's minus 3. Then minus 3 plus 1, minus 2. Minus 2 plus 1, it is minus 1. Hence, we take this values. Then what will the output? 932 C 2.0 plus. Okay, this is the output. Then come to this statement. My list of colon minus 4 colon. So there is no jump, hence the jump is taken as 1. Okay, the jump is taken as 1. Now see here, the starting point is minus 7. Then only when we are plus 1, it comes to minus 4 at a particular time. Okay, see here, if minus 7 plus 1, it gives minus 6. Minus 6 plus 1, it gives minus 5. Minus 5 plus 1, minus 4. Okay, at this point it will use the output. But as we know, always the end index will not be taken. So the answer is minus 7, minus 6, minus 5. So 10 comma a comma 3.8. This is the negative indexing.
If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you will get notification. If you have any doubts, let me know in comment section. Thank you guys. See you in next video. Bye bye.